ovulation is the shedding off of the inner lining of the uterus, and this happens every month in a woman's lifetime. The walls of the uterus become thick, and as days continue in the cycle, they become thicker, like we can see, to help prepare to receive the fertilized egg. Yes, please.
Where do the lines become thicker from?
What is she even doing here?
I mean, honestly, like, what good is knowing that going to do her?
What? Are you two talking about me?
I mean, honestly, look at the state you're in.
Really?
You think people of my status do not function reproductively like you two?
I think Rosette has a point in what she's saying. Each one of us has what? Equal sexual and reproductive health rights. Her status does not exclude her in that category of people. She has a right to information and education. She has a right to know what the rest of us also know. She's not supposed to be discriminated. Just like we stand for non-discriminatory sexual and reproductive health rights and information for all.
Yandaula Yandaule Vijja Visambendegi 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 Yandaula
Their business tebikyatambula. Everyone at the company wants my post. If I lose it, I'm gone.
I can see them. I can see them.
Yes.
No problem, sir. I just wanted you to finish up your call. A customer is king.
Hello? Hello?
What is it, sir? Can I help you?
No.
You know, I normally take some of my customers at that shrine.
Let's go. I don't think you can help a man in my shoes.
I have heard you talking about a Kuribodi girl and an albino, not so?
How much do I owe you? I just can't stand this interruption.
I'm sorry, sir, but I have a Kuribodi girl. Yes, I have a Kuribodi girl. No. This is my number.
Let's go.
Hey,
Welcome back, ma'am.
thank you. Thank you, my dear.
Mom.
Don't worry, my daughter. I can see you worrying. Your father promised to send us some money. For you.
School started weeks ago. I have not even got a place yet.
I know. Don't worry, my dear. You scored 12 aggregates. And it was the second best in your primary school. Don't fire you.
I'm worried about going to secondary school.
Chichi.
Students will laugh at my status.
Rosette, people go to school to attain knowledge. Look at what you've just done. Where are those who used to despise you? You've proven to be more brilliant than them. I tell you, my daughter, when they laugh at you, just use your brains to prove them wrong. Don't ever worry, okay?
That's my sweetheart. I'm going to school again.
I told you, God is good.
All the time.
Hey, Amosigwaze. Hope everything is well. Tusanyusa okulaba nno munnange.
Kale nnyabo.
Eradde nnyo ssebo. Ssebo kya ssebo. Mulungi ssebo. Kale ssebo. Let me get him something to drink.
Good breakfast.
Good day.
Okay.
Thank you. Dad Rose sent these things.
Hey.
And he gave me this message for you.
Well, thank you, sir.
Okay. Nice time.
You too, sir.
My dear wife, how are you nowadays? I hope life is good there. I was very excited when I saw the results of our daughter. Congratulations. Things are not any better this way. The council may suspend us working from the city anytime. We therefore need to have enough money. I have therefore decided to stop paying school fees.
How are the interviews? Sorry, man. Seems like you're losing out.
Things are bad. How could they do this to me? I've worked for this company for over 7 years, and now they want me out?
Man, you know it's a government policy, Kim. And we all know that you don't have the academic qualifications.
Academic qualifications? To hell with academics! I must do something.
Did you get the crippled or albino?
What is it? We need to go and see what.
Okay, don't worry.
My mother is not here to help me out, but I know I have this homeless friend. It really feels like home.
I'm not a science specialist. What do you want? You want a pen? Go somewhere else. I do not have time for this comment.
you sure I have a crippled girl?
Yes, she's my daughter.
Okay.
Don't worry, she's crippled and helpless. I'd rather live without a child. I'm telling you.
How much do you want?
500,000 shillings only, if you don't mind.
Actually, I do mind.
Okay. Give me 350. And I need to fetch her from the village.
I'll give you 1 million shillings.
We have to go right away. I have to fetch her from the village.
Wait until it's darker.
Okay, means I will go and fetch her tonight.
Let's go and I give you money.